Hey guys, so this is part 2 of my two-part video on how to replace a Lenovo G560 laptop screen that I ordered from laptopscreen.com. I left off in part 1 screwing in these 4 screws on each side of the screen, and it took me quite a while to actually screw them in. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4. It took me quite a while to actually screw them in because I have some shaky hands, so I cut that part out. But once you screw those in, the rest is very simple. Now we just need to place the bezel back on the laptop. Now this part is not too difficult, but you might want to bend the screen down a little bit so that you can start by snapping in the hinges. And you will hear an audible snap when you do that. There we go. Next, this is very simple. We just snap the screen back on. Just one snap at a time. And now there are 6 screws that need to be screwed in. 4 on top and 2 on the bottom for this particular model. Oh, almost lost that one. Okay, almost lost it again. Yeah, very shaky hand. There we go. Now after you screw all the screws in, you'll want to replace the plastic bumpers, or the rubber bumpers that we took off. And then you will have a working laptop screen. That's number 2. Number 3. Okay. I'm just putting the rubber bumpers back on now. Very sticky. So as you can see, replacing the screen really just takes a little bit of confidence and sureness, and beyond that, it's really not too difficult. There's 1 or 2 technical things involved, but this is really quite a good laptop to do maintenance on. Just screw in these last 2. Now, if we were to send this back to the manufacturing company, it would probably cost upwards of $100, but buying it off of laptopscreen.com, I received this screen for about $55, so it's definitely cheaper to just do it yourself. Just lost a rubber bumper there. I don't know where that was, but no matter. Alright, now we'll plug the laptop in and see if it all works. Got the charger. See how much of a handyman I actually am here. Alright, there we go.